Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best t-shirt printing machines for small business in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Cricut EasyPress Mini Heat Press. Cricut is among leading manufacturers in this industry that have made a name for providing top-grade products and some of the best starter t-shirt printing machines for all budget ranges. This EasyPress Mini design operates with minimal power since it requires only 150 watts to function and 120 volts. It weighs 1.5 pounds. Making it a lightweight design that you can operate smoothly and even move around with. The manufacturer has not explicitly indicated the heating plate size, but from the imagery, you can tell that it is meant for small-scale designs. 2 unique heating elements and the ceramic-coated surface make it possible for you to achieve pro-level transfers with minimal hassle. The precise temperature control goes as high as 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Enter the proposed time for your HTV and infusible ink project and transfer your designs onto the t-shirt. The insulated base protects your work surface from damage. The auto shut-off feature turns off after 10 minutes of inactivity, ensuring you remain safe within your workspace. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cricut EasyPress 2 Heat Press Machine. This machine measures 12 by 10 inches, and this size makes it ideal for printing large t-shirts, banners, and sweatshirts, among other things. It weighs 85 pounds, hence not bulky to keep around the home and lightweight to move around with. This model has a provision for precise temperature control which makes it easier to manage and achieve the desired results. The maximum temperature it allows is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and this makes it possible for you to work with an array of fabrics. The ceramic-coated surface helps in heat control and also makes this product hard-wearing. This brand is top-tier and among the best home t-shirt printing machines, which allow you to produce pro-level prints in the comfort of your residence. The device heats up in less than 3 minutes thanks to the advanced heat plate design and produces iron-on pro results in less than a minute. It is easy to set up and operate. You must know how to set the time and temperature depending on the fabric of the tee you are printing and the type of ink in play, and you are set to begin making beautiful pieces for yourself, family, and friends. Number 3. Our third best pick is Fancierstudio Heat Press. This model has undergone a series of improvements to make it the best t-shirt screen printing machine for home business. The changes have been made on the heating plate to include a Teflon coating, which guarantees sturdiness and efficiency when printing. Additionally, the rubber base has been glued down. 1,800 watts is required, and a 110 voltage to run this machine. The upward opening model that this brand features helps to make work easier and save on space as transfer designs onto t-shirts, bags, badges, and an assortment of other items that can be branded using this machine. The temperature ranges are between 699 degrees Fahrenheit while the timer can run for 999 seconds. The temperature and time control is electronic, making this design professional and easy to use. The heating plate is 15 by 15 inches in measurement and has a silicone gel base and a Teflon coating top. This model weighs 15 pounds. And it has a precise time setup and adjustable pressure system, which allows for different usage of this quality t-shirt printing machine. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is F2C Pro 5-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine. This heat press machine features a full rotation swing-away design that makes work more comfortable and helps you save on time while printing almost anything. The timer can run for a maximum of 999 seconds. To get started, place the machine on a flat work surface and ensure that you add enough pressure to the knob designed to hold this machine down to prevent the plate from shaking as you work. The heating plate has dimensions of 12 by 15 inches, and it has a non-stick surface, which enhances its functions as well as the aesthetic value. It also comes with a removable upgraded aluminum alloy cradle for the mugs, caps, and pads elements. The power this machine needs to dispense the various tasks it is designed for is 1200 watts and a voltage of 110. The temperature can be displayed in Celsius or Fahrenheit on the LED digital display. It ranges from 32 to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, availing multiple possibilities regarding what material to print on. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is VIVOHOME 8-in-1 heat press. This heat press is the best versatile unit that money can buy. It is packed with incredible features that make it a powerful performer. For instance, it features 360 degrees rotation, swing away and guide rail design. The design provides a full range press directly and evenly guaranteeing you high-quality finish transfers. The heat press comes in a solid build with a robust base that offers stability during use. Also featured is a dual integrated digital LED display with a controller that allows you to preset the temperature and timer countdown. It displays both the temperature and time, and when time is up, an alarm will sound. The best thing about this heat press is its die-cast aluminum heating plate. It has a non-stick Teflon-coated surface that prevents scorching when doing thermal transfers. It is large enough to accommodate different project sizes, from small gifts to large commodities. Plus, its removable foaming silicone pad can withstand heat up to 250 degrees Celsius without burning. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.